Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation from scratch. We have been in this training service for more than 18 years, servicing, serving thousands of participants across the globe, in-house classroom before COVID, and now we are completely into live online and self-paced videos after the COVID situations. We have been working with various clients across the globe and assure you step by step, scenario based, concept wise, useful learning sessions. And in our Python analytics course, we deal with basic to advanced data analytics, latest and up to date Python modules, cloud concepts, big data loads, with examples, tasks, and cloud integrations with end-to-end project. So where do we start with? Yes, to start with our data analytic activities, firstly we need to learn database. We need to slowly start with what is database, what is SQL, and why. We'll start from the scratch carefully. Once we learn database concepts, Once we learn the database concepts, then we shall proceed slowly into our actual Python concepts, Python analytics, and here it is on the screen. We start from Python introduction to analytics, installations. We have something called Anaconda, and it would be the platform used for Python analytic activities, a desktop app. We have something called Jupyter, interface, notebooks, and various formats of Python implementations in real world with easy to learn, easy to understand, useful step-by-step concepts. First 2 weeks would be all the fundamentals, basics of Python. Then 2 weeks would be completely for analytics. It's not into programming. We are not into Python programming in this course. This 4 weeks Python analytics is core data level, data oriented. So where to start with? Yes, we need to have database and SQL concepts first. 3 weeks. Then 4 weeks Python analytics. Total 7 weeks journey. If you are already aware of database concepts, not only SQL Server, any database is fine. Microsoft SQL Server or Oracle or Sybase or MySQL or Ingress, Postgres, anything is okay. You are aware of any one database technology, happy learning, useful implementation step by step with Python analytic course. So you plan for Plan A, you plan your learning process for option 1, core Python, or option 2, SQL plus Python. If in case you are planning for experience in your resume, you may add Power BI add-on. That is plan C, SQL, then Python analytics, finally Power BI, and mixing all these together. These three are good friends, trust me. So module 1 SQL we need to learn for 3 weeks, right from the basics to Excel integrations, Excel analytics, remote joins, and subqueries, performance tuning, etc. 4 weeks on Python analytics from scratch, and 4 more weeks on Power BI. So choice is yours. You may choose core Python or SQL plus Python or SQL, Python and Power BI. And sessions would be completely into practice orientation. Once again, You take SQL, we'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the very basics carefully, step by step. Here is our actual notes for SQL. We'll start from the scratch, step by step. Every day, right from the introduction class, we have FAQs. And majority FAQs are outside the notes. Answers will be within the notes. Majority FAQs outside the notes. First two chapters theory part. Then onwards, completely theory plus practice, step by step. And it's completely scenario based activities. Participants who are learning more, submitting the answers on time, responsive more in the class, will surely get extra items. That's my promise. I will be the caretaker. I will be the only trainer for the courses you see on our website. These items, I will be the only one from our school. For Python programming and Tableau, other courses like MSBI, we have other trainers anyway. But these items you see on the screen, including our actual Python analytics course, I would be the caretaker. Sessions would be completely concept wise, meaningful, case studies, project work, and it would be very useful for our interviews. Once again, going back to our notes, yes, this is our notes for SQL concepts. First 3 weeks journey, 12 chapters as per the curriculum, wherein we do more than 400 plus queries. For example, fourth chapter, we are going to hit a half century. About 36 queries in the class. This chapter will last for about 2 days. And 20 task items, 10 plus 10, 20 task items. It's all about the count, the number of examples we need to aim at. And after we do SQL, which is optional for you, you are already aware of SQL, you directly go for Python analytics. Coming to Python analytics, here is our notes. Of course, right from the scratch, right from the basics, you'll understand. First day, first 30 minutes theory, second 30 minutes installation starts. Day 1. We'll start from the very basics and no PPTs, trust me, no PPTs in the class. No blah blah, okay? Straight into the game. Every concept have revision, FAQs. Revision first, doubts clarifications next, FAQs, and you submit. After installation comes actual notebook activities, then comes Python internals, data types, variables, so on, operators, etc. etc. We'll do from the scratch carefully in the same order you see in the website course curriculum, 18 chapters. Whatever SQL we learn in first 3 weeks will be helpful in Python analytics. Experience profiles, you have Python with Power BI integrations also. So who can join this course? Anyone, everyone who need step by step useful and cautious learning activities. We are there for them. I am there for them. And my complete support for your learning again and again. Trust me, we have been here. I have been here for more than 18 years. So fine, we are safe. So we should be cautious. Fine in the sense, yes, we are more cautious, we are more safe for tomorrow, right? Simple. At the same time, I don't want to call strict, but I am cautious about the submission of the assignments. Please understand. We submit the things on time, we get the new things easily next. If not everyday submission of assignments, at least by weekend, you submit all your assignments. But practice every day, submit your assignments max by weekend. Our classes would be Monday to Friday. The latest schedules you always see on our website sqlschool.com register page. sqlschool.com register page, there you see the latest schedules always up to date. You may refer to this website. You may call our team for more details, or or you may also call me directly or WhatsApp me. I prefer WhatsApp so that I can check during my free time, or contact me through my LinkedIn profile for more clarifications or any other kind of questions regarding your resume, profile planning, anything. On a friendly note, I'm there to guide you. Thank you so much and hope to see you soon in our live demo session. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.